Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Dodge Demon 170. This vehicle is available here at Capital Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram and on Brigga Trailers, so check that out in the description down below. But taking a look up front, we have our Challenger front end with those LED accented headlights that actually have holes in them for increased air intake. Classic muscle car look up front, super aggressive looking front end. Of course, we have that gigantic hood scoop, so our 6.2 liter V8 and our 3 liter supercharger get plenty of air when you're rocketing forward on the drag strip in this vehicle. But great looking front end in this vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. Now, like I said before, we have the 6.2 liter V8 and a 3 liter supercharger plopped right on top of this thing. It's going to propel you to 0 to 60 in 1.66 seconds, and you're going to have 1,025 horsepower on this vehicle, which is absolutely insane. But taking a look underneath, you have your Dodge Demon badge on top of your supercharger, and you're also going to have a unique badge underneath the hood right over here to the right. So you can see you have your own plaque underneath the hood, Last Call Challenger Dodge Demon 170. But plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque. This is the fastest production vehicle of all time so far. But taking a look at the outside, let's go ahead and check out the accents on this vehicle. So this is finished in that gray paint with the black wheels, and you're going to have your Dodge Demon badging on the side with the orange eye. Really cool looking badge on this vehicle. I wish I could hang that up on my wall. That is a really cool looking badge. Now taking a look up front, we're going to have drag slicks all the way around. Up front, we're going to have a 245 wide tire. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. This is going to give you all that traction that you need to propel yourself to 0 to 60 in 1.66 seconds. But there's the size on them, 245 tire. Of course, you're going to have your big brakes up front for that stopping power to slow yourself down. Classic muscle car look on the Challenger, of course. This even comes with blind spot monitoring, so great safety features on this vehicle as well. Taking a look to the back, we're going to have those fender flares to fit these gigantic tires in the back. Of course, Mickey Thompson drag radial, black wheel here in the back, and the size on this is going to be a 315 wide tire. So you're going to have a 315 tire on the back, 17-inch wheel, but look at that, guys. All that meat here on the back. This is a rear-wheel drive vehicle, so it's super important we get as much traction as possible. But look at how wide those tires are. These are absolutely massive. But pretty cool tires in this vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. So we're going to have this kind of drag-inspired spoiler to give you that downforce for moving down the drag strip. On the back, classic Dodge Challenger looks. Dodge logo in the middle with your taillights, and you're going to have a dual exhaust outlet. This thing sounds absolutely crazy. I couldn't start up on the showroom because it would set off all the smoke alarms, so sorry about that. But let's go ahead and take a look at these exhausts. I love that square cut on them, fits perfectly into the bumper and looks very nice. Of course, you're going to have your trunk here in the back, so if you're hauling groceries in this thing, let's see how much space you're going to have. Of course, from the factory, if you're buying a special vehicle, you're going to get a lot of the special packages with it. Dodge Demon 170, you can see the VIN right there. It comes with all of your boxes, all of your paperwork, because this is listed on Brigga Trailer. I have the Brigga Trailer link in the description down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this vehicle and bidding on it. But let's go ahead and take a look at the window sticker on this bad boy. So, Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. Base price of the Challenger SRT version is going to be $68,600. 6.2 liter V8. Here's all of our options. So of course we're going to have the Hellcat Red Eye wide body package with your SRT Demon 170 package. So that's a $20,000 option. Very hard to find this vehicle. MSRP brand new is $118,446. You get a 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty with a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper. You can see this vehicle is built especially for this special person right here. And you get 10 miles per gallon city, 17 highway, and 13 miles per gallon combined. Here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause the video and check it out. But this is a 2023 model, so we're going to have our 2023 books. Let's put everything back. Again, plenty of space for groceries if you need to go to the grocery store quick, fast, and in a hurry. But closing that up, let's go ahead and move to the side. You have your gas cap where you're going to put your race fuel in at. So it just screws right off and you can close it back nice and easy. Now, taking a look inside this vehicle, we're going to have the red guts, of course. Looks super cool. Leather on the doors. You have all of your comfort amenities, which is nice in this kind of vehicle. Window controls, mirror controls, all that good stuff. And you even have a memory seat, which is a great touch on this vehicle. Plastic still on the steering wheel and the seat. This only has 12 miles on it, so barely any use whatsoever. Taking a look at that back seat, of course, you can have 2 people in the back seat, maybe 3 if you want to push it, but original factory condition, super, super clean. Now, taking a look up front, we're going to have our steering wheel, which, of course, like I said, has all the plastic still on it, shifter in the middle, touchscreen, and our driver display to show our miles per hour and our engine RPM range. Let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at all the features. So hopping inside, want to be super careful because this is a special vehicle, so I already cleaned my shoes off. Let me go ahead and be super careful getting inside. And we have that SRT badge on the steering wheel, Alcantara wrapped with that white stitching. To the right, we have a shifter. Of course, this isn't automatic because if it was manual, you would have to shift super fast and probably faster than you can think. All of our AC controls in the middle. We have a launch mode, SRT mode, and our digital display, red start button, and our red driver information display. You're going to see all of our RPMs. This goes up to 220 miles per hour on our miles per hour gauge. Alcantara headliner, leather wrapped dash. You can see all the dust building up because, you know, this vehicle has not been driven, but it has been very well maintained. Dodge Demon 170 logo embossed into the seats, give it a really unique appearance. Here's that Alcantara headliner, and you have an extra divot up top so you can wear a helmet in this vehicle, which is a really, really cool touch. But that's going to be it for the inside. Let's go ahead and talk some more about this vehicle. So, really cool looking front end. We're going to take a look underneath the engine and everything else, and let's talk about some stuff. So if you guys want to buy this vehicle, it is located at Capital Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Garner, North Carolina. Please ask for Michael Black if you guys are going to call in and inquire about this vehicle. It is also listed on Bring a Trailer, so we're going to start the bidding here soon. That link is going to be in the description down below. But these vehicles are very hard to find, and of course they are expensive. But if you want to bid it out, see what you can get it for, check out Bring a Trailer in the description down below. But that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this very, very special vehicle with me. If you did, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe down below for more car content. But that's it for today's video. Again, my name is Joshua McDonald, and I'll see you next time.